Football Club Hepori. Vicky Cardozo, jersey number 7. Rolex, jersey number 22. Ryan Fernandez, jersey number 10. Clesio Hilario, jersey number 1. Socorro Cardozo, jersey number 8. Clinton Cardozo, jersey number 14. Floyd Hilario, jersey number 4. Melvin Hilario, jersey number 3. Wellington Hilario, jersey number 16. Substitute players: Iron Hilario, jersey number 9. John Hilario. Joyban Hilario, jersey number 42. Nestle Hilario and Winfrey Cardozo. Team captain: Ryan Fernandez. Team coach: Josh Justin. Team manager: Manu. Jersey color yellow. Lineup of SFX Sports Club Camarxete, Hepori. James Fernandez, jersey number 21. Caetano Villegas, jersey number 29. Velroy Pace, jersey number 7. Velico Pace, jersey number 4. Wesley Pace, jersey number 17. Wilson Pace, jersey number 13. Sohit, jersey number 10. Elstrom Fernandez, jersey number 20.
Sleep Zalo. SFX Sports Club gaining control of the game. Well, they are on the attack mode. Oh, just a miss. It's a corner. Well, SFX Sports Club has been attacking throughout from the beginning. And if you go to see Eklate, are lacking behind in control and in possession. Well, a perfect day where this tournament has been organized very well, wonderfully by Fondegal Youth Club. Oh, just a miss. It can be a goal. No. Great save by the goalkeeper. And I like the rest.